National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clark County, northern Greene County, east central Montgomery County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beaver Creek, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, Bellbrook, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Enon, Wilberforce, Riverside, Donaldsville, Clifton, Green Meadows, Houston, Selma, Old Town, and Gladstone. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 56. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio.